want this water? What is this? This one is Tombi water. It's okay, I will try. I saw her and she wants me to be her friend. She's very nice. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I will go out. We will spend our $5. It's equivalent to $350. So we will spend this one today. So guys, wala po tayong sasakyan ngayon. So magta-taxi lang po tayo. So kukumputin po natin lahat ng magagastos natin from taxi and all.
So guys, after nito isa pang taxi. Nung naglalakad pala ako pa supermarket, in-approach niya
ako. What is your name again? Adam. Adama.
Yes.
So how old are you?
13.
You see, she's selling orange. They are very hard working here. So let's go.
Yes.
So you are going to school?
Yes.
Okay. What grade are you now?
8.
8. I saw her and she wants me to be her friend. She's very nice.
So guys, dyan sa loob yung supermarket.
So guys, nasa supermarket tayo. Papalitan natin yung suklay ko kasi nasira. So I will buy this one. I think the price is $125. This one. So guys, I have my ate here. Let me greet her. Bye.
Bye. See you next
Thank
time.
you. See you.
Bye.
So guys, papunta na pala tayo ng turntable. Doon ako bibili ng prutas tsaka kakain ng street foods.
Okay, 50.
Yeah. You want another meat market?
Huh?
How are you?
Thank you.
So guys, doon tayo sa kabilang daan kakain ng street foods.
How do you call this?
Sausage. Sausage.
Sausage.
Condis.
Okay. So this is sausage.
Yeah. How much do you want?
Only one?
One.
Yeah, I just want to try. So this is sausage. I will try.
Good.
You want this water? What is this?
This one is Tombi water.
It's okay, I will try. So how do you call this one?
This one is fish ball.
Fish ball.
Yeah. Sister, you give me 20. No, you don't give me 50. This is the one that gives me.
So guys, this one is fish ball. Good. Only $5 each. Yeah, I want to buy one.
Huh?
Only one.
One.
This is what? Pancake?
Right, pancake. So don't tell me the one. Me the one. I just like the photo.
Only small. Only 5. I will try her pancake. Nice.
Start, travel, start. Voilà, start. Real na kumikat. Mika ni boni photo.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci.
Nice.
Guys, ganyan pala sila maghalo ng kape o kaya ng tsaa nila dito. Astig din, no?
Mana ko bumajal.
This one is coffee tuba. It's hot. Mapait siya, guys. But it's good.
Pabiyahin na ako pa uwi, guys. Guys, manonood ako mamaya ng movie. So, bibili kong popcorn.
Mescal. You see?
Guys, ito pala part ng culture nila. Pero na-experience ko tong mga nakaka-costume na to. Papahintuin ka tapos hihingan ka ng pera. Ganun sila.
So guys, pauwi na ako. So tingnan niyo. So I had fun today. And ayun yung mapupuntahan ng inyong $5. Mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe dyan, please subscribe na po and paki-like and share na rin po. So guys, nasa bahay na ako. So ayun po pala yung napuntahan ng $5 ko dito ngayong tanghali. So, kung sa restaurant po kayo bibili or sa Tropic Mall, yung $5 nyo pang isang meal lang. Baka wala na po kayong pang taxi kapag doon po kayo kumain. Gusto ko po talagang itry yung street foods po nila dito. Kasi never ko pa pong na-try. Okay po siya kasi mura po talaga yung presyo. $5 silang. And masarap din po. Meron lang po hindi ako bet yung fishball kasi may tinik-tinik pa po. Pero all in all po, yung experience ko naman is okay. Wala naman po akong na-experience na bad this afternoon. Talaga lang pong yung iba ayaw magpa-video talaga. And I respect that po. Nakakatuwa din po kasi nabisita ko po si Ate Lynn. Actually po meron pa pong ibang Pilipino na nandun. Di ko lang po sila naabutan. Pero lahat po sila mababait dito. Meron din pong Filipino community dito pero very small. Around 13 to 15 people. And nakakatuwa naman po kasi nagsasama-sama naman po kami kapag may gatherings or events. Nag-i-invite po sila. So that's all for today. Huwag niyo pong kakalimutan, lagi niyong tatandaan that you are amazing. Bye-bye!